Step 1. Copy the software from USB to your computer. Then uncompress it. Double-click to open it and uncompress them one by one. You will get 2 runtime libraries and 1 folder. Install the 64 and 86 runtime libraries in sequence. Open this folder and find the file name CodeStudio after the installation finished. Right-click your mouse and assign it to desktop shortcut, then close this folder. Double-click the CodeStudio. After opening the software, click on the Import button in the upper left corner of the software. The file formats supported by this software include PLT, TXF, and EPS. Find the file that needs to be processed, select it, and open it. In the middle of the Start option, you can modify the size of the layout. Layout size refers to the size of the glass. Input the glass size. After entering the glass size, select all the patterns. To modify the size of the graphic, switch to the second item on the toolbar. Take a look at the location pointed by the mouse where you can modify the graphic size. After making the changes, press Enter. After selecting the graphic, click on the page centering option in the alignment options. After selecting the shape again, find the color and path options on the right, and then select the third one. Afterwards, select the second option in the processing method, glass dispense. Click the calculation path, set dispense no 1 head. Please note that only set the number of heads that are needed. Then set the height and width of the plotting line, that is no limit. Click Add after the setting. Afterwards, the pattern will generate its own path. Select the device management option in the lower right corner. At this point, it is necessary to insert the registered USB drive into the computer. Please refer to the video second for the steps to register a USB drive. Please refer to the text on the video for the next steps.